Why they? I mean, why wouldn't they drill the holes? That's really stupid. This track's will really be interesting.
Feels good. Feels a lot better.
A lot better? You don't need that.
But chill, nigga, you late. Try and use me as the bait. You skip steps. I nearly nailed it in the first take. I gotta do this for the sake of my mama in that dream house sitting up right beside the lake. I can't.
My boy got all his stuff out here. Come on, man. Still got that broken windscreen on there, my guy. You gonna have to change that up. Now I know my guy doesn't have some brand new track fairings just sitting out here. Yes, I'm exposing him. You don't need that. He gonna be mad at that. I was just damaging your stuff for you. I was playing. I was like, he doesn't need this.
What's up, bro?
It's good, man. Now I know you haven't had these sitting out here this whole time.
No, I just, yeah, that would be right.
Let me put
Can you
this.
guys, someone takes my bike and has free race fairings?
They would be like, Aprilia with free race fairings? The best gift. It's a lot of pieces, huh? Well, these are track fairings?
Yeah.
No headlights?
Nope.
So, it's not too many parts. Because track fairings, yeah. You're gonna have to buy new regular fairings anyways, huh? I mean, you're probably good on the tank area. You're gonna definitely have to buy a new head.
For sure. I think all the fairings got touched. Honestly.
Cause then yours is so expensive. Like the way if you buy two of them, it's gonna probably be like $300. So you might as well buy the whole set. You know?
I found a whole set for $800 for everything.
That's how much yours run? About 800.
I think it's supposed to be more than that, really, but
For your fairings?
yeah. But I think they're from Italy. They're actually from a really popular track fairing site.
You're taking your headlights out, right?
Yeah.
That's what I did. You gotta take them off. What? Ew. I already know. I'm jealous.
Bruh.
You got the 20. Oh, the same one that everybody get. Have you tested it?
Yeah, I had it right at home. Feels good. Feels a lot better.
A lot better?
Like it's really
That's a lot better, even though you have all this, Brembos and all this.
Yeah.
I know. I need that
It
ASAP.
just feels more
I'm getting it after this.
like I feel like my other ones you had to like squeeze. Sometimes it was like you squeeze more to get this.
Oh, I know. This is what I want. The
Yeah, it's like it's
bro. But for you, you really needed this shit.
Yeah.
You out of all people, your brakes, bro.
This is what happens when you
Was
have
yeah, but
your
I mean,
brakes sorted out.
the main thing is since you got this top high performance bike, you just need all high performance everything with it. You know, you can't be. I mean, you got Brembo brakes, but you can't have no stock cylinder and stuff. You gotta have braided brake line. You gotta have everything. You bought these braided brake lines, or it came like that?
No, they come like that.
Ew. So I'm saying they gotta have all that. You still have ABS?
Yeah.
How come you won't delete it? It's just too much, or you looked at it?
Eventually, I do want to put stock fairings back on, and when I do that, you know what I mean?
You still want ABS?
Because that it helps so much on the street.
I know, bro.
Helps so much.
Hold on. They talking about R6 got a lot of bolts. This Aprilia got mad screws. Reckless. As soon as he puts these track fairings on, no, it's gonna be a lot easier to take off and on. Just gonna take off all these side ones. You got dumb screws on this bike. It's like the R6. You need get a screwdriver. Phillips. There's a lot of Phillips screws.
Oh, there are?
Yeah.
Where you seeing? Oh, got you. Okay.
What the hell? You just cut yourself?
No,
Oh.
it's from something else.
There's oil on it. You're gonna need to do your handlebars, bro.
Yeah.
You got to. Bro, if you really not paying attention, you will really mess your whole head up on this.
Yeah, I messed up my old helmet.
Your what?
My old helmet? Bro,
he was like,
parked back there and I went up and just went, bah.
You were just mad. You didn't even have to look. Damn, long ass screw. Where do you want to put this one?
I'll put them all right here. Thing for this.
For what? Oh yeah, I told you.
I'm literally gonna have to like make something.
Are you gonna do that now?
Nah, I can't.
You might as well put your fairings on, bro.
But I don't think it's gonna start without that.
Yeah, right, try it right now. You got your keys?
Either that or the electricity might not.
For real?
So I think you need that.
The electricity might.
No, bro, not, you know that. Try starting it.
It's in neutral? It's not in neutral. It's not in neutral.
It's not?
Which one is it? This one, right?
Yeah.
You right.
Yeah.
Damn. It's safety reason. I like that though. That's crazy. The rectifier is not connected, so it won't start.
You're supposed to drill.
For real?
Yeah.
But why?
I got a fucking drill, bro. That's low-key annoying. So is there any on here? Nope.
Oh, look. We fit these things into here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Oh, this side's not in though.
But there's no spot to slip it into.
Yeah, there is. I think that's a little bit more secure now. Let go. Let's feel it. You really have to slip these into here all the way. I feel it's a little bit more secure. But what are you gonna do with the side piece? The rectifier.
Bro, like.
Let's look at it. Damn,
I meant to grab 2 zip ties.
I know.
What does it look like on that one?
I'm just looking at you.
Oh, so I just got to drill holes to do the same thing.
That's pretty cool.
There's like an inside look. Same thing.
Let me see.
I just got to drill it
Let me see.
and fit it in the same place.
Oh yeah, there is. They did too. Why didn't they?
They should have just put the holes.
I don't get it, bro. That's why I got the drill and everything in my house. But what are you gonna do?
I got a drill.
You have one?
I just don't have the step drill bit.
Like the bit that I have, like that. That's the thing that I use to cut my fairings. I told you about. Remember?
Oh, the Dremel.
Yeah, with spikes.
That's what you use?
Yeah.
I have.
It got edges and it gets bigger at the top. I just.
Oh, wait. So you have like the step one, like you poke it through and then you can go. To
No, it's just
the next step and the next step.
Yeah, it gets bigger.
Yeah, so like you go boom, and then if you need to be bigger, you go boom.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, that's
like and then the end piece is like big as this, kind of, maybe a little smaller than this whole circumference.
Yeah, that's like
it's the perfect one
for plastic.
Yeah, exactly. I get through aluminum too. That's what I did. Like some holes on this shit too. Like I drilled all that hole like that. This one right here, I drilled like all these with that. They're having it to where he got to drill a lot of pieces into his fairings. It's not too many, but he got to drill a hole right here, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, why do they do that? Why wouldn't they drill the holes? That's really stupid. I don't get it. It's the dumbest thing possible. What, so you can fit it? Is this supposed to go here? And you gotta. That's dumb. That's crazy. Just gotta cut a couple of them fairings and you good, huh? You think you're gonna finish it? You got it worked? Or are you about to do it in a minute, huh?
I think.
See how those flex, bro? Those fairings like bend? Those other ones do not bend like that. All right, my guy. Good luck. Let me hit you up. We're realizing that these track fairings are kind of funny sometimes, man. They definitely said you're gonna have to make them fit, but I did not think they were gonna come completely non-drilled. That's crazy. But yeah, man, if you guys haven't checked out my track series yet, called Track Adventures, is really lit, man. It's really fun. Another video coming up soon. Another episode on Track Ventures coming up soon at Thunderhill Raceway. This track should really be interesting. It's got so many hills and everything. I guess that's why they call it Thunderhill, huh? Bro, they got reckless hills and mountains. And one of the homies told me it was supposed to be like 110 degrees. I doubt that, but shoot, if it's that hot again, man, I'm about to be very disappointed. I have to go finish getting ready for the track. But I'm practically done though. All I have left to do is go pick up a stock exhaust from the homie. And I hope it fits because there's a noise restriction limit, a decibel limit at Thunderhill Raceway, and it's at 104, I believe. But that's crazy. We really can't have our bikes too loud at that track, or they're gonna kick you off the track. So we all gotta switch our exhausts, or make sure we have baffles in them, so we don't get like noise complaints and all that, or get kicked out because our bikes are too loud. The homie Rocket is about to let me use his stock R6 exhaust, and it's for a 2017 R6, so I'm really hoping that it fits for my year. My year went only to 2016, so it might be off a little bit, but shoot, I hope it works. Bro, if I go over any like crucial line sideways, it's a for sure wobble on me. I got a bad wobble the other day, bro. It hurt both of my knees and made my whole like tail loosen up. It was crazy. I need a stabilizer immediately on this bike. Yep, I think that'll be it for me, man, in this video, man. Hey, stay tuned. I'm about to be having some lives coming up. I'm gonna be live streaming this trip a little bit, I think.